The Pixel 8 series is shaping up to be one of the most interesting flagship launches this year, aiming to give Samsung and Apple a serious run for their money. Google's next pair of models are slated to come later this year with a slew of new features, exciting new sensors, next-gen silicon on board, and some AI camera magic. Google might launch its Pixel 8 series smartphones 2 months later, early in the month of October 2023, and ahead of this expected launch timeframe, the specifications of one of the upcoming devices have been tipped by a tipster on the Twitter platform. The upcoming Pixel smartphone, the Google Pixel 8, has been tipped to be powered by the brand's own Tensor G3 chipset and is likely to feature a smaller and brighter display panel. The display might also support a variable refresh rate of 10 to 120 Hz, as mentioned by the tipster. At its rear, the device is also expected to sport a 50 megapixels ISOCELL GN2 main camera, and regarding its battery specs, it has been tipped to pack a bigger battery with faster charging speeds. The battery capacity inside the Pixel 8 models is unknown at the moment, and it's time to do the guessing exercise once again. The battery size is more or less tied to the physical size of the device, and we saw this in this year's Pixel 7, which sported a smaller battery than its predecessor mainly because of the more compact physical size. Google is known for taking baby steps when it comes to upgrading the camera system of its Pixel phones. It took the company several generations to move to a dual camera system, and another big chunk of time to finally slap a periscope lens system on the Pixel 7 Pro. Google is known for its excellent post-processing algorithms, and we should expect refinement rather than revolution in the Pixel 8. All the specs are comparably better when looking at its predecessor, the Pixel 7 smartphone, but the tipster has also suggested a possible price hike the upcoming Pixel 8 device might be having. Apart from this, Pixel 8 series will be available in Haze, Jade, Licorice, and Peony. Later, we had a very strong leak from Ross Young detailing the size of Pixel 8's screen. Ross tweeted that the vanilla Pixel 8 will sport a 6.17-inch display, slightly smaller than the last-gen Pixel 7 with its 6.32-incher on board. The Google Pixel 8 should come right on time for Google to showcase its next version of Android, namely Android 14. We should expect some clever software magics in the next version as well. Google made some visual improvements in the last Android OS with themed icons, color vector fonts, the material you design philosophy. We should expect more of the same in the next release. There were some cool advancements in AI language algorithms, so Google will probably take this further in the new Pixel 8 series. So, what are your expectations from upcoming Google Pixel lineup? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comments section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time.